First, you need to download and install HandBrake on your computer. HandBrake is a free and powerful video converter that lets you easily convert WebM files to MP4 format. You can find the download link in the description. Once you download it, launch the HandBrake application after installation. Now just drag and drop the WebM file into the HandBrake window. Under the Summary tab, find the Format drop-down and select MP4 as the output format. Choose the folder where you want to save the converted MP4 file and give it a name. Click this green Start Encode button at the top and wait for the conversion to finish. You will see a Q finished message when done. The WebM video is now converted to MP4 and saved to your chosen location.